It's hard to believe that this is not a rendering anymore. Hi, I'm Sam Allen, Director of Marketing for Paul Risk Construction. As of right now, I'm standing on the 3rd floor of Phase 3 here at the Lodge at Historic Lewes. The entire project is moving right along with all the windows being installed. So, let's go check in with Charles Warwick, Senior Project Manager, and see where this beautiful senior living facility is. That's the beach right back there.
Over in phase 1 through 3, we have the windows all installed. The sliders are due to be delivered the end of January. Roofing is going to be complete also on those 3 phases within the next week or 2. We continue to fireproof the demising walls and corridors. Over in phase 4, steel is 100% complete. The roof truss system is being installed. 2nd and 3rd floor slab concretes are poured. Over in phase 6, that's the next pad for steel. All the joist and deck is on site. Upcoming next month in February, we're going to be looking at phase 5. Steel continues. Phase 1 to 3, we will have our sliders installed and we'll be temp heating those. And phase 4, we will have exterior sheeting going on to get ready for windows and sliders in that phase.